Here is a Lionel 259e locomotive. It was made from 1932 to 1940, so it's pre-war. It's a 242, and this one, I believe, has been restored. It's just immaculate. The locomotive, now it has a 2689T tender on it, which was mated with this locomotive, and this one has not been restored. But then also this train, you have the Lionel Sunoco car, the 1680, and then the 1679, the Baby Ruth car, and then the 1682 caboose. Here's what it looks like this way. Just a very nice little train, and you can get to let you see you run. I like the light out of the stack where they had that red that made it look like it fire coming out of the top. But here's how it goes. It runs really nice. Look at that beautiful green light in the front. There on the signal. Okay, this thing will get going fast too. Very pretty train. Freight train, pre-war. Let's watch it run in reverse. Okay, and that's the Lionel 259e. This is in the gunmetal gray that they made, and with the 2689T tender and the cars along with it. 1932 to about 1940.